In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. You'll see your calendar view with a Create button near the top. Click Create, then choose Event. This opens the event editor where you'll set up the shift. Start by adding a clear, descriptive title. Think about what will make sense at a glance later on. Something like Morning Shift or Week A, Evening Shift. If you have different roles or locations, you can include that in the title so it's easy to understand without opening the event. Next, set the date to the day when you want the shift to begin. This is the start of your schedule or rotation. After that, set the exact start and end time for the shift. Make sure the time matches your usual shift length, and keep an eye on AM and PM if you're not using 24-hour time. If your team spans time zones, it's a good idea to be consistent with your chosen time zone to avoid confusion. Since this is a shift you'll repeat, click the Does Not Repeat dropdown. This is where you choose how often the shift happens. If it's the same every day, choose a daily repeat. If it happens on specific days of the week, select weekly, and it will repeat on those days. For alternating patterns or more complex rotations, select Custom. Custom lets you set unique intervals, like every 2 weeks, every 3 days, or specific weekdays such as Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is especially useful for rotating schedules where patterns repeat over longer cycles. For example, a 2-week rotation with different shift types each week can be covered by creating separate events and choosing custom intervals that match the rotation pattern. Once you've chosen the repeat schedule that reflects your shift pattern, click Done. This applies the recurrent settings to the event. Take a quick glance at the details to confirm the title, start date, and time are correct, and that the repeat setting matches how your shifts actually occur. When everything looks good, click Save. You should now see the shift on your calendar, and if you've set a repeating pattern, copies of it will appear in the future according to the schedule you chose. If you notice anything off, like a wrong day or time, simply reopen the event and adjust the title, date, time, or repeat option the same way. That's it. You've set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar quickly and cleanly, and your calendar will now keep your shift pattern organized moving forward.